So yun guys, nagduo nga pala kami ng tropa ko. Sana magustuhan niya tong video ko. Follow niyo na rin ako syempre. May like din dyan sa baba. Baka gusto niya mag-like. Syempre follow niyo na yung TikTok, YouTube at Facebook ko. Thank you. Hanggang dito na lang magsasalita. Panoodin niyo na lang yung video kung paano ko gamitin si Nathan.
She's indecisive. She can't decide. She keeps on looking from left to right. Got my people look in my eyes. Searching it so long.
Bell Music Remix.
Love and leave her. And it's something with the song. So give me show you, hold you. Don't leave me the way that's in the Lord. You can make up your mind, mind. Please don't waste my time.
Welcome to the
I'm
DJ,
not trying to
Bell Bass.
I wish all this could come together as one. But Shawty is a itty, money, 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 Shawty is a itty, money,
Bell Music Remix.
Let me show you what you're missing. Paradise with me, winning girl. You don't have to roll the dice. So what you here for? In my eyes, I can see you in New York. You seem like a time to love and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone. Can't make up your mind. Please don't waste my time. I'm trying to mine. I wish our hearts could come together as one. Shawty is a itty, money, Shawty is a itty, money, Shawty is a itty, money, Shawty is a itty, money,
Welcome to the DJ, Bell Bass.
Thank you sa panonood. Like and follow nyo na ako. Subscribe na rin kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Thank you. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye.